So Zeke and Maya are buying a house with a 20-year fixed rate loan that has a 4.25% APR, and we know the biggest monthly payment they can work into their budget is $950. We want to know what loan amount would result in that monthly payment. So since we're talking about loans, we've got to use the PMT function. We use FV for savings, we use PMT for loans. So the inputs for PMT are APR, N, Y, and P are principal, and we'll put all of that into our PMT function. So in Excel, we do equals PMT parenthesis, click on your APR cell divided by N, comma, N times your Y cell, comma, negative P, close parenthesis, enter. Now we can fill in what we know. We know that the APR is 4.25%. Talking about monthly payments, there are 12 months in a year, so N becomes 12. It says it's a 20-year fixed rate loan, so Y is 20. And it's asking what loan amount, that's the principal. So we're trying to solve for principal, and we know that their payment's going to be $950. So what we need to do is goal seek the payment to $950 by changing the principal. So I'm going to click on the equation with the payment function, data, what if analysis, goal seek. We want that equation with our payment function to be equal to $950 by changing our principal, which is our loan amount. And we click OK twice. And it tells us, that if we have a loan amount of $153,415.23, we get our $950 a month payments.